In this video, I'm going to explain the economic data volume report on edgeful.com. So here we're in the volume report type. We're looking at economic data volume, we're looking at SPI, and we're looking at the CPI announcement. So what this report measures is how does volume change leading up to and after a certain economic announcement. So each of these bars are a certain day. The darkest blue bar is the day of CPI, or the day of the announcement that you have selected. And you can see that there is the day after here, and then 2 days before. So what you notice is, historically, the days before CPI tend to have lower volume than the actual day of CPI. So what you can see by that, and what you can kind of like take away from that, is maybe you don't want to trade on lower volume days if that doesn't fit your trading strategy or your trading personality. You wait for the day of CPI when it comes out in the pre-market, and then those days have really great opportunities because the volume is so much higher. So what this report really allows you to do is to avoid the days with low volume and to go into the days that have high volume. I'll just address this right here. This is actually when Silicon Valley Bank failed in March of 2023. And so just kind of ignore that because it's an anomaly. This is why the volume was so high that week. But across the board, you can see that typically the day of CPI is the highest. So some days obviously are not. Some days have higher after. But typically the day of CPI, this darkest blue line, has the highest volume. And we actually have the breakdown here. So this T-2 is this light gray bar. T-1 is this like turquoise bar. The CPI is the dark blue bar. And then T+1 is the day after, this like kind of edgeful blue bar. Then we show the average volume and the average and the change from the average of the actual CPI day. So we also have an economic calendar on this report. We also have one, side note, we also have one here. But we have the economic calendar on this report, and then we have kind of a breakdown here of how to like understand and how to apply this report into your trading. But really what this report helps you understand is what days have lower volume, therefore which days should I avoid, what days have higher volume, therefore which days should I actually trade in. I personally don't trade any days before CPI because I've found that the volume is very low. People are waiting on the sidelines to actually trade that CPI day. So this is something that this report has personally helped me with, and it's something that I'm sure it can help you with too. And just keep in mind, we have other things and other announcements in here if you want to look at them. And if you have anything else that you'd want to add in here, you can reach out to us with new report ideas or support and ask and say, I want to look at PPI or PCE, etc. If you ever have any questions about this report and how to apply it to your trading, please always reach out to our support. We are more than happy to get on a call. We are more than happy to help you actually implement this into your trading. Just please always let us know, and thank you for watching.